Hello, I'm sorry the sound is terrible on these. It sounds like the wind is blowing in the background. But that's what you get when you just do something for free. So try to hang on with me. So I wanted to show you something. I was looking at doing a poster instead of an invitation, so I typed in poster. And it says there are no results. We can't find a poster in your project. I'm like, well, I don't know why this came up. So I went back to home. And if I scroll through these choices along here by using this arrow, pretty soon, look, here's a poster that I can use. I also saw another one. Where did it go? There was another poster, I promise. Oh well, for now, I'll just use this one. But I just want to show you that if you don't find exactly what you're looking for one way, you can experiment and find another way. I think the other one was vertical, this one's more horizontal, but it will work for our purposes. The next thing I want to go over with you is uploads. This is a lot like the way we saved pictures from the internet to use for our kaleidocycles. Remember that fun stuff? So if you go to the internet, let's see if this will let me show you. Might have to close Canva for a minute. No, it's freaking out. Okay, here's the internet, yay. And I type in an animal I want to show. A panda, not a panda head, a panda. And I have to go to images, remember, to get the best pictures. And also, some of you were trying to save pictures that were people selling pictures. You have to make sure you go to a website that's not trying to sell the picture. Like this is Wikipedia, it will work. I right click. Some of you stopped at save link as, and then it wasn't working. You have to go to save image as. Here I am on my desktop. I name it Panda Mrs. D so I can find it later, and I save it. Okay, good deal. Now here I am back at my poster, and I want that panda picture to come over here. So it says I can drag things. I'll try that in a minute, but if I want to upload a file, oh, look, there's my desktop. I type in Panda, Mrs. D. Where is that little guy? And here he is over here, and then I can drag him over to my poster. So I can do save the pandas. They must be saved. Ling ling, ping ping, all their fun names. I don't remember. So this also says that you can upload video and audio. I don't know if we have the ability to do that at school. I guess we can try. We're mostly starting with images. We'll come back to video and sound on a different day. But that's how, if you can't find the picture that you want, say I look in here and I just want to find a panda. Oh, it's showing mine. But say I want to look in theirs for a panda and I don't like their pictures, then that way you can go to the internet and choose any picture that you want. Okay. Yeah, usually if you look up here, they have all kinds of things to show you, but right now they're only showing me my one panda. Let's see if I change this. What if I type panda in up here? Why is it giving me calendars? Oh, this is it's a panda calendar. Cute, but not what I wanted. So you can go to the internet and get the picture that you need. Remember, all uploads must be school appropriate, little darlings. Thank you. Bye.